Hi there. In your chat assistant projects, you can now use formatted text responses so your designs will look and act just as they will in production. Within the text step, you are able to stylize your response messages with bolding, italics, underlining, strike-throughs and line breaks, and you can add clickable URLs so users can click these on a prototype or in the test tool. To add some variations, you can add randomized text response to this step by clicking the Add Variants button and filling in the response text. By default, only the first variant will be shown in the step on Canvas, but you can also select the Show All Variants option under Canvas Visibility. Finally, the text response field has replaced the SSML editor used in the Speak step on all Chat Assistant projects. This will allow you to design your chat-based projects with text responses exclusively. This was a quick presentation of the new text step available in all Chat Assistant projects in Voiceflow.